Hey, this is Justin, the Flippy Accountant, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the deposit method on your Amazon seller account using your Amazon seller app. And basically what this means, when Amazon pays you, you can change the account that you want the money deposited into. That's a really quick and easy process. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Amazon seller app, and it will pull up the app like this. What we're going to have to do is go to settings. So in the top left-hand corner, there's the three little lines. Go ahead and click on the three little lines right there. That'll move this over into a new bar. Then we're going to click on the little gearbox icon in the top right hand corner, which is the settings. So we're going to click the settings. And from here, we're going to go to account settings. So it's the very first one right there that you click on. And then it's going to give you a few options. You've got deposit method, charge method, tax information, and close account. I'm going to go to deposit method. So I'm going to click on deposit method. And this will show your active deposit methods for any of the marketplaces that you're on. It looks like I'm selling on Amazon Mexico, but I'm not actually, so I don't know why that's on there. And right now, it shows that I have an account number on there. My account status is verified. It's got my bank location and my name, and then you can select what kind of payout, if you want standard payout or express payout right there. But what if I want to add a new deposit method? At the very top, you can see that there is an add new deposit method right up there, or there's manage deposit method. So let's click on add new deposit method, and then it's going to ask you what marketplace you want to add it to. So let's just say Amazon.com, and it says if the marketplace has an existing account, it will be replaced with the new one. So if you add a new account, it'll replace the one that's already on file. So let's just click add, see what the screen looks like. It's going to ask for a notification. So I'm going to go ahead and do the notification, do two-step, and it looks like if you have two-factor authentication set up, Amazon will try to make sure that it is you and not someone trying to hack your stuff, which is great. So now we're on the next screen, and it shows what I currently have. And then it says add new deposit method. You can do bank location, and then you have to fill out the account holder's name, 9-digit routing number, bank account number, and then retype the bank account number. And then at the very bottom, you'll click set deposit method. So this will replace whatever you had in there. So if you do have the two-factor authentication set up, it will make you go through that process I just went through. It says at the very bottom, you can have a total of 2 active deposit methods for Amazon.com, including your default deposit method. So you could have 2 on here, but I'm not actually going to change mine. I just want to show you how to get to it. So that's going to be it for today. If you found this video useful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.